Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce the hot new ACEMAGIC 17.3-inch laptop, powered by the latest 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N97 quad-core processor for smooth, powerful multitasking performance. Featuring a large 17.3-inch Full HD display with sharp visuals and wide viewing angles, perfect for studying, working, entertainment, streaming, or creative tasks. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a fast 512 GB SSD, it ensures instant boot up, quick app loading, and plenty of storage without lag. Built-in HD webcam and clear microphone make online meetings or virtual classes easy and professional. The lightweight, slim design is ideal for students or professionals on the go. Comes with versatile ports, HDMI, Type-C, USB 3.2, easily connect external monitors and peripherals, supporting efficient multitasking. ACEMAGIC 17.3-inch laptop, outstanding performance, big screen, and an amazing price for students, office workers, or anyone needing a reliable laptop. Order now to get the best deal with official warranty. Reference link below description. Thank you.